and welcome to our playlist on organizing content. In this video, we're going to talk about creating modules. Here I am in a blank Panther Learn course shell. This is our canvas in which we're going to work in this video series. For all of these steps, the first thing you'll want to do is go to Content. And here, when you're initially taken to Content, you'll go to the Overview section. And you'll see there are no modules if you click on Table of Contents. To start creating course content, the first thing you're going to need to do is add a module. And that's what's going to create that blue New button or the Add Existing Activities buttons that will allow you to add topics into your modules. So let's start by creating a syllabus module. I just type the word syllabus right in that box and then click Enter. And now I have a syllabus module. I can see the name of the module here, and I can see the name here. I can add dates and restrictions to this module, and I can add a description to this module. I can add new topics or existing activities. I can edit everything that's in the module. I can add a second module. I could add a third module, and I could add some weekly modules, and so forth. And so you start to build your table of contents here by adding individual modules. So for here, in terms of organization of modules, I've chosen a syllabus, start here, assignment details, and some weekly modules. You might organize your content in a different way. Instead of organizing by weeks, you might organize by chapters. And you might have a module that says Chapter 1, another that says Chapter 2, and so on. Another way you might organize your content is by activity. So you might have a module for PowerPoints that you provide to the class, another module for handouts that you provide, and maybe another module for essays, where that's where all of the students will find out information about performing the essays as well as submitting the essays. There are several different ways that you can organize your content. It's a matter of letting your pedagogy and your content drive that organization. But in general, think about it from the student's perspective. If a student is coming to the Panther Learn shell because they want to submit an essay, how will the student know which module to access to submit that essay? Is it clear to the student where they need to go? Or suppose the student is coming to the Panther Learn shell to find the PowerPoint presentations that you gave in the class on Chernobyl. How will the student find those PowerPoint presentations? What's going to be an easy way to direct the student to that information? So thinking about the content that you build through that student perspective will help you to figure out how to add those modules at that highest level to organize your content so that students can easily and quickly access what they need to succeed. Stay tuned for our next video on how to organize topics within modules.